Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. The ups and downs continue in this pair with the bias more to the downside. Remember, the Reserve Bank of Australia did keep rates unchanged. It was thought to be a less hawkish rate decision. And although the pair found some support yesterday, we are seeing a further selling and trading here today, taking the price below a key moving average level. I'll talk all about that in this video right now, so let's get started. Yesterday, we saw the price move lower off of that news, and the move to the downside came in and tested this swing area right through here. Recall from last week's trading, this is the 4-hour chart, by the way, so this represents last week's trading between these two dashed lines. The price came up to that high right there, also near the 100-day moving average. It rotated to the downside. We rotated back to the upside, helped by the Friday's unemployment number, and eventually broke above that old ceiling after testing that ceiling right through here and also the 100-day moving average. So the buyers were more in control. We moved up to this swing area up through here. You can see the different levels that were in play through this area right through here. In particular, these highs right through here that put a lid on the pair. And in trading last week and again this week, the price did find resistance sellers in that yellow area between the 0.6635 and 0.66439. And as I mentioned, yesterday's move to the downside, we did find support against, or maybe I didn't mention, but we found support against initially this move, these highs from last week, moved higher and then rotated to the downside and trading here today. We've broken below the 0.6585 level, increasing the bearish bias with a move also below the 100-day moving average. So that sets the stage for the move to the downside and trading here today. Now, having said that, the 38.2% or the broken 38.2% of this move to the downside did hold support right through here, and that's important for traders to stay above that 38.2% retracement. If it can, it shows that the buyers are at least in play for this pair. But having said that, we still need to get back above the 100-day moving average and back above the 0.65585 level to prove that the buyers really mean business off of that 38.2% support hold in trading here today. So that's going to be this is going to be our target on the top side if we're able to get above that level. And we may not. Traders could easily start to use that level as resistance, just like it did here, and reestablish that level as a resistance level and rotate back to the downside after the move higher failed against this swing area. That's one scenario. The other scenario is that we do break above that level and resume the run to the upside with the 50% midpoint coming in at 0.66159 level as the next key target on a break of the 0.6585 level. So that's my technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Sellers moved the price lower, but found support. We'll see what happens from here. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.